Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there.
I wasn't planning on filming my blow dry tutorial or how I blow dry my hair. I was just blow drying my hair to blow dry my hair. I just wanted to kind of, you know, not wear it straight, but kind of more probably in a blown out state. And I was doing my blow drying, and I was really amazed at the results that I'm getting. So I thought I'd come on and share with you guys what I did and what I'm doing. And like, I think this blow dry came out a lot better than the blow dry I did in my from curly to straight tutorial. So first of all, if you guys are familiar with my last video, the Shea Moisture Manuka honey and yogurt line, I used that entire line, the shampoo, the conditioner, and the protein treatment. And then I went ahead and I applied first the Hydrate and Repair Leave-In Conditioner. On my ends, I applied the Split and Repair Balm. And then I applied a little bit of the Tresemme Heat Control or Heat Protector on my hair. Then I started off with the tension method on this side, and then I used a regular old, you know, like Conair brush to start to detangle the hair. Now, I did notice a few things on this side of my hair. I just actually got a better blow dry. I feel like my hair, this is probably I haven't gotten a blow dry like this. The last time I blow dried my hair, it was not like this at all. But my hair does have a little bit of film on it, and I do think that film comes from the end balm. And I was just really trying to be protective of my ends currently. So I'm going to start over now on this section. But what I'm going to do differently on this section, and I'm actually going to take this section real quick and I'm going to pin it out the way. But what I am going to do on this section is that I'm going to do the same thing. I am going to spray down my hair. How I did it too is I sprayed the ends. I guess my ends are really important to me when it comes to how I go about it. And then I'm going to kind of brush through my ends a little bit. And this time I'm not going to add the end balm to my hair. I'm just going to see if it makes a difference of adding it or not adding it on this side. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my blow dryer and I'm going to start off with the tension method. So I'm just going to hold my hair tight and I'm just going to go ahead and start to blow dry the hair. I do have my heat on the hottest setting just because my hair is a lot and you need to make sure you use some heat to keep it straight. So we're going to do that, and I'm going to have it on a low blow dryer mode. It won't be on high, it'll be on low. So let's do it. With just that tension method, you guys do see that my hair is pretty stretched, which is good. So now that my hair is pretty stretched, and before I continue to go, if I'm blurry, I'm so sorry. At certain moments, my camera has this weird thing of focusing solely on my face, and if I move around, sometimes it gets a little blurry. So if I get a little blurry, I apologize. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to kind of go through and just comb it out. Now, I definitely notice a difference with not using the end balm. Definitely. My ends are not as smooth. Definitely not as smooth. I wish I would have filmed the other side with it. But yeah, my ends are definitely not as smooth as on this side. So what I'm going to do, I like the way that my ends feel on that side with the end balm. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of the end balm and we're going to now apply it to the ends. I just like the way that it makes my ends feel. They don't feel as rough. I do think it's time for a trim too, so just to put that out there. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna apply some of that in balm, and then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use my brush and the blow dryer to finish off blow drying this section. I will say that I do like to use the in balm when I am blow drying. I'm just going to put that out there. Now it does leave a little bit of a residue on the hair, but I feel like it just makes working and blow drying my hair with my ends so much smoother. So I'm going to continue to do that. Another thing that I did want to mention as well is that I did ditch the concentrated nozzle with my blow dryer. I usually use that to blow dry my hair, but I like it better without the concentration nozzle. Even though the air can't go everywhere, I just feel like it gives me faster results than using the concentrated nozzle. I just like it better. Okay, so this is both sides of my hair blow dry. I have both sides with the, so yeah. I'm just going to go ahead and continue. I'm going to do the same exact thing that I'm doing all the way around my head. And I'm just going to go ahead and let you guys continue to watch. And then I will come back and I will show you guys the results. Let's do it. Alright you guys, so this is my hair fully blow dried. I'm going to do a spin around for you. I am really happy with the results that I've gotten. Like I said, this is a way better blow dry than with my last how to when I straightened my hair tutorial, and I really do like this way a lot better. So I'm thinking about going ahead and just straightening my hair with my flat iron, but I just wanted to come and show you guys the results that I got with just using these 3 products. I love it. If you guys know, in that video I was very unsure about this product and I was like, I don't know if I really would like it, but in this case of straightening my hair, I really do like this product. So with that being said, you guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.